What's going on, guys? Tyler from Allen Eds. Wanted to introduce you guys to BLACKVUE's brand new 4K DR900S 2-channel. So it's going to look very similar to our last DR750 camera unboxing. All the same parts. Cameras actually look virtually identical as well too, but again, built-in, all built-in technology. They're going to look very similar. Fun fact as well too, guys, on these cameras, they actually have a shortcut on the voice deactivation. So if you don't want to have your voice activated, you take 2 fingers and swipe on the side and it'll actually cut the voice recording too. Something we probably haven't talked about before, and probably a lot of the guys that have the BLACKVUE camera systems don't know. Obviously, if you come to Allen Eds, we'll explain how to use your camera system properly. And then here's the rear as well too. The rear camera is actually a little bit smaller. It's noticeably smaller for sure, actually. We also will still be using the PowerMagic Pro 2-piece like we were talking about last video too, that allows the car to not have the battery fully depleted, but still allow it to record in park mode as well. Like I said, this is going to be a great camera. Retail point's actually $479, so it's not too much higher, about $80 higher than last year's model. But again, this is going to be 4K too, so if you guys do any beautiful road trips or want to get any YouTube vlogging done or anything like that, depending on what you want to use this for, this camera definitely is a marketplace for a lot of people. Well, that's it, guys. Let me know if you guys have any further questions. You guys can check us out on YouTube, Instagram at AE SouthBay, or call into the store 310-542-5588. Thanks, guys.